Hi students, good morning. In this video we are going to see PQT, PRP and also P&S subject unit 1 common. In that we are seeing multiple choice questions. Already I had uploaded 50 multiple choice question as 5 videos. It's available in our channel. If you didn't watch that, first see that and watch this one. If you want notes, that is handwritten notes, means join as the channel member and then you can get access to the notes. So now let us see the video. 51st question, a pair of dice is thrown 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered as success, find the probability of 2 success. A pair of dice is thrown 4 times. So we are throwing the dice 4 times. If getting doublet is considered as a success. So doublet means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 like that up to 6, 6. This is the doublet. Then find the probability of 2 success. Totally we are throwing the dice 4 times. Out of 4 trials we have to check whether 2 will be getting 2 successes. So P equal to probability of getting doublet. Totally 36 possibilities. Out of 36 possibilities, doublet means there are 6 possibilities for doublet. So which is equal to 1 by 6. Then Q equal to 1 minus P, which is equal to 5 by 6. So now these are the values for P and Q. Out of 4 trials, we have to check whether up to 2 trials we will be getting success. So NC, for the binomial distribution, the PMF is NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x. So which is equal to 4C2, P value is 1 by 6 power 2, then Q value is 5 by 6 power 4 minus 2, again this is also 2, which is equal to, use the calculator and make simplification for this. Here the answer is 25 by 216. Here I am writing the answer directly. You use the calculator and check whether the answer is correct or not. Then next one, the PMF of Poisson distribution is, the PMF of Poisson distribution is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. E power. So the answer is option C here. Next question, what is the mean variance of a Poisson distribution? So for the Poisson distribution, both mean and variance are having the same value lambda. This is for binomial distribution. For Poisson distribution, mean and variance are having the same value as lambda. Then next one, if capital X is a Poisson variate such that 2 into P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 2 equal to 2 into P of x equal to 1. Find expectation of x. Expectation of x is nothing but mean, or otherwise we can say it is lambda. So you can, in the place of expectation of x, this can be replaced with mean or otherwise lambda. All these three are same. So first let us apply the formula for all these three terms. 2 into, the formula is e power minus lambda, lambda power x, here x value is 0 by x factorial, here x is 0, so 0 factorial. This is for the first term. Then for the second term, again e power minus lambda, lambda power 2 by 2 factorial equal to 2 into e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. So now let us simplify this and find out the value for lambda. E power lambda is common for both sides, so we can cancel that term. Let us simplify this and write the answer as here it is simply 2. Lambda power 0 is 1. Anything power 0, 1. So here this term will become 1. So simply for the first term it is 2 plus here this term got cancelled already. Lambda square by 2 factorial is nothing but 2, which is equal to again 2 into lambda. Now let us cross multiply this 2. So we will be getting 4 plus lambda square equal to 4 lambda. So this can be rewritten as lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. Let us use the calculator to find out the value for lambda. So equation mode, here the degree mode, degree 2, coefficient is 1, after that it is minus 4, then plus 4. So the answer is x equal to 2. Simply only one value we will be getting. So here we can say lambda equal to 2 twice. So simply 2 is the answer. So lambda equal to 2. Lambda, mean and also expectation of x, all these three are same. So the answer here is 2. Then next one. If x is a Poisson variate such that expectation of x square equal to 6, then find expectation of x. Here this is a little bit different problem. Here we are having the value for expectation of x square. But we need expectation of x. So what's the relation connecting expectation of x square and expectation of x? So variance is the only relation connecting these two terms. So we can say variance of x equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. Okay, wow. Then we don't know the value for variance of x and also expectation of x, but the notation we are using is simply lambda. So lambda equal to expectation of x square, they had given us 6, minus then expectation of x is also lambda square. So let us solve this and find out the value for lambda. Lambda square plus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Let us solve this. So take the calculator. Again equation mode, degree 2, a value is 1, b value also 1, then c value is minus 6. So 2 comma minus 3. So lambda equal to 2 comma minus 3. Here minus 3 is not possible, so the answer is 2. 2 is the value for expectation of x. Actually this is a very simple problem, but you have to remember what's the relation connecting expectation of x square with expectation of x. Without using the formula, we are not able to find out the value for expectation of x. So we have to use this one to find out the value for lambda. Next problem. If capital X is a Poisson variate such that P of x equal to 0 equal to 0.5, then find variance of x. Variance of x is nothing but lambda. So we have to find out the value for lambda here. So P of x equal to 0 means e power, let us apply the PMF of Poisson distribution. It is e power minus lambda power x, here x is 0 by 0 factorial equal to 0.5. So e power minus lambda equal to 0.5. From this we need the value for lambda. So here it is e power minus lambda. So let me take log logarithm on both sides. Log e power minus lambda equal to log of 0.5. Then log term, then log term and e power term will get cancelled. So we can write minus lambda equal to log of, then the 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. Then let us bring this negative sign to this side. So minus log 1 by 2. So this can be written as log 2. That is, here I am bringing this negative sign to this as power. So reciprocal of this one is simply 2. So lambda value is log 2. Actually this is a very simple problem, but you have to apply the logarithm on both sides. This is the very important step here. Log 2 is the answer for this problem. The next one, the PMF of geometric distribution is q power x minus 1 into p. Then next one, if capital X is a geometric variate taking values 1 to etc. up to infinity, then find p of x equal to odd. So we have to check whenever we are getting only odd numbers as our possibilities. So if x equal to odd means p of x equal to 1, 3, 5 etc. So this can be rewritten as p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 3 plus etc. which is equal to, for the geometric variate, the PMF is q power x minus 1 into p. Here if it is 1 means 1 minus 1 it will become 0. So for the first term q power 0 p. Then for the second term 3 minus 1 it will become 2 q square p. Then for next term will be q power 4 p plus etc. So which is equal to, so let me take p outside. So first term will be 1 plus q square plus q power 4 plus etc. Then this is equal to p into, here this can be written as 1 minus q square the whole power minus 1. Here we are applying the formula 1 minus x power minus 1. In the place of x we are having q square. So I am writing as 1 minus q square power minus 1. So this can be rewritten as p by 1 minus q square. Then let us apply the formula a square minus b square here. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So p by 1 plus q into 1 minus q, which is equal to, here this 1 minus q can be written as p. So here these two p terms will get cancelled. So the answer is 1 by 1 plus q. So here the option is C. Next one, if the probability that an applicant for a driver's license will pass the road test on any given trial is 0.8. So p equal to 0.8. Then automatically q value will be 0.2. What is the probability that he will finally pass the test on the fourth trial? So we need to find out for the fourth trial. So p of x equal to 4 q power x minus 1. So 4 minus 1 into p. Q value is 0.2 power 3 into p value is 0.8. Use the calculator to find out this value. I am writing the answer directly. It is 0064. So the option here is option A. Next question, the PDF of uniform distribution is 1 by b minus a. That's all for this video. Students, if you like the video means hit the like button, share this with your friends. Thank you.